Hey guys, Freddy Tech with CFL-TECH. I'm on the Streaming Better site with this streaming media news story. This will be linked down below if you want to check it out. So some new stuff here for Google TV. A new report feature is now available. There's an image of it. We'll take a look at it here in a little bit. I'll put up a little video on the screen showing you how easy it is to use. Now this feature is available right now, and more here on what you need to know. Google TV's newly added report feature allows users to proactively hide inappropriate content. The new feature can be accessed directly from the long press menu. Reported titles can be managed and even unreported through the new reported items section in settings. So there's what you need to know, and additional information, of course, is on this page. Good information on here, as well as the Google Help page. So we'll take a look at that here in a moment. The instructions are on both pages here. Now here you have additionally, Google TV's recommendations can be pretty useful, right? And with the ability to assign different profiles to different household members, each person should only see recommendations tailored to them. However, the recommendations engine isn't perfect, and there are times when users might see recommendations that are unsuitable. This is where the new report feature comes in. So yeah, that happens sometimes. You have other users in the house. You see stuff on their profile that may not be there, shouldn't be there, and it is. And now you have this new option, a report feature, which should help that particular situation. So this is nice that they added this. Now essentially the new feature gives homes the ability to manually take control of these unwanted recommendations by hiding them from view. So that is an important feature, especially if you have children and you don't want them to see certain content. This is a new good safety feature. Now they have information on how to use it here, and it's on the Google Help page as well, so you have it in both places. Now here's the video snippet of it from earlier showing you how easy it is. So just highlight the title that you want to use this with, and hold down the enter button for a couple of seconds, and then the menu appears. Then you scroll down the list there to report, and then it asks you the reasons for the reporting. Select whichever one you feel is appropriate. Then you move forward with the next steps, and that is pretty much it. You send it to Google for a report. It removes it from your system, from your home screen, or wherever you see it at. And that's pretty much it. So very easy to use here. And also more information on this here, saying now Google TV users can't report all titles. And that's the way it is right now. While the new feature seems to be widely available, there are some limitations that Google TV users will need to be aware of. Firstly, the ability to report an item currently only works with on-demand titles like movies and shows. It does not yet work with live TV, YouTube, or sports recommendations. Secondly, although reporting an item will result in Google TV actively avoiding displaying the title in recommendations rows throughout the user interface, reported titles will still show up in search results when the title matches the user's search word. So that's one way it'll show up now in searches, so keep that in mind. But probably not an issue for most situations, but that's interesting to learn right there. Now let's go over to the Google TV help page. So here's their post from a couple of days ago, letting you know that this option is now available and why this matters here, saying their goal is to provide a safe, family-friendly environment. Occasionally you may encounter a recommendation that feels unsuitable or is not something you want visible in shared living space. In a shared living space, this new feature gives you proactive control to immediately hide inappropriate family content and report it to us, while helping us refine the experience for everyone. So yeah, it'll refine the experience. So when they get these reports, they'll use that information and tailor it for future recommendations as well. So it's really nice that they have this option. Now this will be linked down below as well for you with this information. It's not a big read at all, but it has, again, the steps on how to do it. So it's very easy to do. So what are your thoughts on this new feature? Were you waiting for something like this? Let me know down below. Does it make the overall experience much better? Do you feel it's a safer environment overall with this feature? Let me know as well. If it's your first time here on the channel, please do us a huge favor. Please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also share this video. That is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Freddy Tech checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.